Where are we?
Somewhere in Vancouver.
Yeah, we're now here at Granby, no, it's Burnaby. Yeah, near Metrotown. Yeah. My wife is sleepy. Is yawning. Yeah.
Woke up at 2 to come early.
Yeah.
My only regret was not coming earlier so I could surprise him when I got here, but he woke up before I could come.
Yeah, that's what I've told you. Like, you know what? A relationship is not all about money, right? It's about how you love each other. It's about commitment, long-term commitment, right, babe?
Yes.
Yeah. I just feel bad for some other people, not just a Filipino actually, but most of the nationalities. Like, if dating someone else, like especially from the States, like they use them for the sake of money, right? But which is not good. Don't use them, Don't play with them. It's not good. Right, babe?
Yep.
Because if you want money, work hard for it. Right? You need to work hard. Don't be a gold digger. Well, to be honest, like, I can't blame some other people who said like, oh, his wife or his husband is a foreigner. He just used him or her for the sake of money. Maybe some people, but not all of it. Not all of it. Right?
Yep.
Yeah. And remember the first time we met, what I've told you?
It's not about money. It's
Yeah.
not about sex.
Yeah. It's about
love.
Yeah. Because to be honest, because that's the first thing I told him. Like, okay, I wanna be with you in a relationship, but one thing is I don't wanna talk about money, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't wanna talk about it because I have my money, you have your money. Yes. I just want our relationship to be perfect. Right?
Right. That is right.
Yes, baby. So we're now here at oh my god, the Central Bank. There's a casino. It's a Grand Villa Casino.
Casino.